Hi, Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you are all fine. Finally, Google Pixel 8 Pro is launching in 2023 and I'm very excited for that mobile. I got some official leaks from Google Pixel Mobile's website. There are lots of leaks on other websites, but these leaks are totally confirmed. So let's see how the Google Pixel 8 Pro looks, and how much the improvement has been done before model of Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let's see. So without wasting more time, let's move on. Before we move on, I want to say you that please subscribe my channel and like the video to get any update from the mobiles phones market. And so, Google Pixel 8 Pro, let's talk about the display. The display is Super AMOLED 144 Hz HDR Corning Gorilla Glass Victus with 6.68 inches जो है Super AMOLED display we will see in this. And the cameras are dual flash LED with rear camera are triple set with 64 megapixel and 48 megapixel and two 12 megapixel with wide angle ultra wide angle lens. And we will talk about the front camera is 16 megapixel. It doesn't make any sense because adding a 16 megapixel single camera on screen, but let's see what happened when the mobile phone launched in the market. And let's see the processor, the finally on the Pubg how it's run. Let's see. The processor is Google Tensor G3, the improved version of Google Tensor 2. Yeah, Google Tensor G2. So let's see what is the GPU. The GPU is Mali G82, and the device I think will support 90 fps on smooth. Let's see what happened, but my own opinion is the smooth 90 fps and HDR ultra maybe or not. And the mobile variant are in three conditions: 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB with 8 GB of RAM, yet not confirmed, but these are some leaks that I have shared with you. Let's talk about the battery timing. The battery will 5000 mAh, and on some website the battery will 5500 mAh, and 5500 mAh with 50-watt fast charging. There are some rumors but not yet confirmed that 50 watts fast charging will be in here or not, or wireless charging will be seen or not. And the most common feature that the flagship level mobiles that have the 8 Pro also hold, that is water dust resistance IP68, and wireless charging will be or not in this mobile. Let's see what happens. So here are some leaks that guys I will share with you. I hope you enjoyed that video and you got your information what you want from this video. So subscribe, support and share my video please. Allah Hafiz.